president. And y'all, I thank y'all for tuning in to the Ratchet Show with Ratchet Tracy. Thank y'all, thank y'all. Anyways, we are here to talk about how it is okay to be ratchet for 5 minutes.
Facts.
5 minutes of ratchet. It's good for your soul. I'm finna free y'all mind, and we're gonna have 5 minutes of ratchet with
Shakeem Jamal. Follow me on IG at Shakeem_Jamal.
We got Shakeem Jamal in the building today. Shakeem, I just want you to know that this podcast, this show slash ratchet shit that we got going on over here is about motivating, teaching people, and helping people understand that they all got a little inner ratchet in them.
Yeah.
Now, when Jamal came on, we had to connect to the inner ratchet child. How you feel, Jamal? How you feel?
Feel good.
It feels good. Ratchet is good for your soul, y'all. It's necessary.
Yeah.
Ratchet is necessary. Okay? We got us a little therapy. Ratchet therapy, okay? A little ratchet therapy. We're gonna play us the game first because I still think Jamal's to ratchet up a little bit, okay? He's a little bit there, but he ain't really there, y'all. He ain't ready. You ready?
Y'all ready?
Follow Jamal, Shaq, Shakeem. Which one is his name? Goddamn, know my name?
Shakeem Jamal.
Shakeem
Follow
Jamal.
me, Shakeem_Jamal.
Can you give me a nickname? You ain't got no nickname?
Shaq, they call me Shaq.
Shaq. Okay, can I say Shaq?
Yeah.
Who is they? Can I be a part of they?
Yeah.
Ready to trace the part of they. So when I see him, I'm gonna call him Shaq. When y'all see him, y'all call him Shakeem Jamal _, and now they say that he got
Jamal.
excuse me. Shakeem _Jamal, what he got on Instagram, but I can say Shaq. Period. Alright, y'all, let's play this game. Alright, I need you to stick your hand in my Crown Royal bag. Okay, y'all, look, and is it ratchet for black people to have Crown Royal bags?
Of course.
Of course.
That's for the drinking.
It's ratchet to have one of these bags. My grandma had this kind of bag.
My mama had one too.
And your mama ratchet?
Yeah, all day.
Ooh.
Let me chill out. Funny.
Don't be scared on the Ratchet Show. Hey, tell him, don't be scared, y'all. Alright, here we go. Stick your hand in there. We're gonna see what type of icebreaker, y'all, we're gonna play today. Give me the number. What is that? You gotta read the card out loud.
51.
Nah, return that card back over. What that card?
Ratchet.
And he know it, look at that. Okay, put it on the table. You gotta pick again. You gotta pick a number.
Oh, yeah, wow.
We know he rich, y'all.
3.
Alright, so his game is 3 on the game. Here we go. Number 3 says, oh wait, this ain't the game. Right here, y'all. This some ratchet shit. Number 3 says ratchet dance. Ooh, you gotta hit that ratchet dance.
Doing that house, no
You
dance.
gotta hit that ratchet dance. It
Come on,
ain't
man.
gonna be
Come on,
nothing that you
man.
gotta get out your seat for. But here you go. Here's the dance. Listen to the rules of the game. What would your dance? Now remember, Boosie, he said earlier, y'all, he don't listen to Boosie, so.
I said some
Boosie, but he didn't hear this song, Ratchet by Boosie, specifically. Okay? Okay? He didn't hear that song, okay? Okay, so listen, and he said he didn't watch Scarface. You know what I told him earlier? Okay, let me stay focused, Don't get ratchet. Tell me, don't get ratchet.
Don't get ratchet, please don't.
Okay.
Please don't.
Okay, I won't. I'm sorry. Here we go, y'all. The ratchet dance says, if you could think of a dance and what it would look like, alright? What would a ratchet dance look like? And you show us what the ratchet dance would look like.
Yeah, wow.
That's it. Make that whole cute and simple. We're going to give you something to think, for real. If you had your own way of saying what a ratchet dance would look like, what the hell is a ratchet dance?
Damn, I don't know. Ratchet dance, damn. I can't figure nothing out.
Stay true to your colors now. You ain't blue today. I blue true like glue. That's what they said on little finger. Come on now. What would the ratchet dance be? Just hit them hand motion. Anything. What's ratchet? Show me what's ratchet though, for real. Cause remember we still working on getting him to understand. Yeah.
There you go, the dice.
High five.
I'm talking about.
He got a little ratchet in him, y'all.
Pause that, because it looks funny when I was doing it. We're gonna pause that.
Do the dance again. I need to know how to do the dance though. Show me.
The dice.
Bye. Say y'all, that's a ratchet dance. Say, so anyway, you know how these motherfuckers going around here doing a little Gillian dance, nigga. I'm trying to put people on, you know what I'm saying? You never know. They said Shaq did the dice dance and do?
As far as what?
As far as you want the people to know what you're trying to do, like who is coming to the scene. Shaq, you can give us the man behind the name.
You said coming to the scene?
Producer, rap.
Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? Rap, produce, you know what I'm saying? My own beats, you know what I'm saying? Rap all day. That's basically all I do.
Alright then, y'all. So we got a little bit of segment we're gonna go into. It's a topic, okay?
Right.
Alright. And the topic that we picked is Ratchet Judge. Keep going. Alright, so Ratchet Judge. Jamal said he a Ratchet Judge. Shaq. I can say Shaq. I forgot y'all. Don't look at me. Jamal said, Shaq said that he is a Ratchet Judge, y'all. That means, let me tell y'all what a Ratchet Judge is. He the person that go around and call everybody else Ratchet.
Yup.
So we gonna have a combo on what's some ratchet shit that you be judging people on. And then at the end of this, we're gonna figure out if we can make Jamal just 5 minutes of ratchet. You hear me? We trying to get him to say that it's okay for 5 minutes. Let's go. Ratchet Judge, tell me about it.
So you want to tell you what's ratchet that I talk about people?
Yeah, like what you be saying is ratchet. That what
Shit,
people
the way
do.
they wear their shoes, their pants, they don't brush their teeth, they just come outside like,
Oh, and you talking
the
about
hell? Fuck, there's a lot of shit.
what if they can't help themselves?
Man, they can help themselves.
They could help themselves?
Man, they posted, man.
Everybody supposed to?
Man, shit. Yeah.
What if they don't think that it's ratchet to dress and look like that?
That's between them and God. But if you don't want me to talk about you, don't look like that.
Whoa. Period. Hey, thanks. Understand facts. I'm with you on that. Don't look like that. Okay. What else? Give me another ratchet judge. What else ratchet
There's
judge?
a lot of shit. I don't want to be too judgmental.
No. It's okay. You got 5 minutes. We already passed that part. Come on, ratchet up. Tell them ratchet up. Come on, we got the rest time. Give us one more.
What they eat, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Give me some. What that mean? You can eat ratchet shit?
Yeah, you can eat ratchet, dumbass shit people eat. Stupid shit that don't need to be eaten.
Hold on, what stupid shit you can't eat?
Dumbass nasty shit. Chitlins. That's ratchet.
If you eat chitlins, you ratchet. Get what y'all
Definitely ratchet.
I eat chitlins.
Only ratchet people eat chitlins for real.
I am ratchet. Okay, Jamal. So let me tell you something else. Only ratchet people eat pussy. You eat pussy, Jamal?
No, we ain't gonna talk about that.
No, that's a yes or a no. Have you ever had any sexual innuendos?
Nah.
If you suck titties, you're ratchet, Jamal. We're not gonna talk about no chitlins. That's what we're not gonna do.
Nah, I don't suck titties or nothing. I'm a virgin.
Oh.
That
was ratchet. Y'all, we're gonna talk about that later. Give me another one, Judge.
Man of God. Oh shit. That's really about it.
Let's talk about something else. You got 5, 2, 3 more.
Shit, the way they talk, you know what I'm saying? The way they, you know what I'm saying?
You talk ratchet. Now, is that a dialect? Now, first, like, Jamal, can you tell me where you're from? Would you like to share that?
I'm from New York. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn, New York.
So, y'all, that was the first time we established that we from 2 different,
Yeah, we all know the Southern ratchet. They ratchet down the Southern.
And we ill. And my thing is, but that's why he said he been here 18 years. 18 years, I know you got some ratchet in you.
I'm still New York to the heart.
Tell me about this ratchet experience in jail.
Ah, man.
What was that? You had some ratchet in you somewhere. Come on, we're going to bring it out to the people to know.
Nothing to me. We got pause there. Ain't nothing when you say ratchet. Nah, we ain't nothing coming to me. You know what I'm saying? Pause. Pause there.
Hold on, we ain't going to. Hold on. This man think everything came down. I be forgetting, like,
talk about ratchet in me? Nah. You said ratchet in me in jail? Man, ain't nothing was in me. Nah. I barely wanted to shit in that motherfucker. There was nothing coming out of me neither.
Ratchet jail experiences, y'all, coming to y'all next.
That's a ratchet shit I ever did. I ain't taking shit in the whole week.
Oh, that's ratchet.
Ain't nothing coming out, ain't nothing going in.
Oh, fat.
Pause. You know what I'm saying?
Pause. That's your saying?
Well, you said ratchet.
Pause.